To a traffic alert, 2 crashes along I-85 causing major traffic backups in the northern part of our state this afternoon. This happened in a construction zone in Vance County. You're taking a live look right now at a traffic map. Police say 2 separate crashes, one northbound and southbound, stopped traffic on I-85 for hours. And you can see here from the map that traffic is still slow in parts of that area. CBS North Carolina's AJ Janival is live on the scene, speaking with drivers today stuck in all that traffic. AJ.
Hey Justin, that crash happened around 1 o'clock, and as you mentioned, you can see that this road is starting to make some movement right here behind me. Traffic is going both north and southbound, but I did speak to some of those drivers who were stuck in this. They say for more than an hour. It definitely caused them some headaches. Now this road, I-85 in Vance and Warren County, has caused some issues. We were out here 2 weeks ago, basically in the same exact area for a fatal crash. What I was doing earlier in the day was speaking to some DOT officials. They tell us that I-85 is down to 1 lane, both north and southbound. That's been happening since early June. The reason is they're doing construction to refurbish this road. They tell me that it will not be reopened until sometime in November, but it is causing issues. I've been standing out here on the side of the road for about an hour, and I've heard a few times cars come to screeching halts. DOT officials tell me that drivers need to be aware because it's only 1 lane of traffic. I spoke to one person who said that this accident caused them some major headaches with them and their family today.
So they need to bring some porta potties out here and some dinner because we are starving.
Now, I've been in touch with law enforcement today. We've heard no reports of any injuries on either of those 2 crashes. Justin, I'm also working to figure out how many accidents have happened along this stretch of I-85 since the road went down to single lanes. Reporting live here on the Vance and Warren County lines, I'm AJ Janival for CBS North Carolina.